Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Going out doing a bit of geocaching today. So if I show you this map now, you can see on the bottom right hand side there where there's a blue dot of the smiley face. I've already done that one, and I've done 2 or 3 along this track here that I'm heading down. Yeah, this track. And there's a load at the top that I haven't done yet. So I thought, it's a relatively nice day, so I might as well go and have a look for a few more. Now the last time I came down here it was a bit wet and boggy, but not today because it's been dry for a while. I'm about 315 metres away. That's quite a spectacular looking tree, isn't it? Look at the canopy on that. Right, so I've just passed the last one that I did. There you go. And I'm now about 130 metres away to the next one. About 40 metres away. I might have dropped a clanger here. The hint is tree round the back. Look at all that foliage I've got to wade through. And there's the clanger. Yeah, I'm in shorts. Oh well, there goes. I'm going to end up leaving a pathway through, aren't I? I'm hoping there's no nettles. Oh, there are some nettles, damn. Oh. Not going to show you the whole thing, but found it. Right, back out. I'm going to create a bit of a pathway here, aren't I? A visible path that I've been up there. Can't be helped. Yeah, if anybody comes looking for that geocache today, there's a bit of a clue there, isn't there? Anyway, signed it, logged it, popped it back and got nettled. On to the next one. So the next one's about 240 metres away. Let's go. In the kind of hedgerow here, there's lots of these lovely little pink flowers. Not sure what they are. If anybody knows, just drop a comment about that. It's these things, let me show you up close. Pretty little things. Oh bloody hell, it's all going on. Didn't expect that. Well, up in the dust where those bikes have been, in about 60 metres, probably where the geocache is somewhere. Oh, well, it's saying I'm in the area. Oh, it looks like I've got to trudge through stuff again. Well, unfortunately, I've had to log that as a DNF. I got a proper nettling on my arms and legs there. And yeah, I couldn't see it without getting even worse. Nettles, thistles. There's another one 216 metres away from here. Let's go and have a look for that. If it's not too bad to get to. Might have dropped a clanger today. But on the plus side, as you get to the kind of top here, wow, it opens up nicely. Tell you what, I'll show you from the air, it'll be easier. Lovely, isn't it? Anyway, we've got a doggle and a muggle up here. Probably close to where I need to be. I'm about 120 metres away. Hello! 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 Morning. Morning, it's lovely, isn't it? It is. Now, according to this, we're only about 12 metres away. Oh, more trudging. My poor legs. Oh, nettles everywhere. Look, nettles. Nettles. You can see somebody else has actually been through here. Oh, it's got me. Found it, found it, found it. Ooh. Next one's about 160 metres away. I think it was 160. Let's go. Can't believe how much this path changes as you're walking along it. It's lovely. That rape field keeps catching my eye in the morning sun. Right, I'm about 30 metres away. Not far at all. Oh, ruddy nettles. Ow, get back. Found it, found it, found it. Right, I've signed it, logged it and popped it back. And I'm just got to kind of climb my way out now. It's all fun and games. I always feel you're going to look a bit weird if somebody catches you coming out of bushes like that. Anyway, there's another one about 200 odd metres away from here. I think it was about 260 when I took the screenshot. It's about 240 now. Anyway, enough of that. We're about 14 metres away. You probably can't even see that in this light. You can just see my head, can't you, in the phone? And no one wants to see that. Ah, crap. Can't even see anywhere where anybody's been through. See that dock leaf plant there? I might need that. Oh dear. On closer inspection, there is just a wall of nettles. It's in that hedge somewhere, and it's just a wall of nettles. No, I'm not even going to bother trying to look for that one. I'm not logging it as a DNF. I'm not even going to bother looking. No. There's another one 160 metres away. I'm going to have a nosy, eh? Go and have a nosy. The nice views have kind of disappeared on this bit, thanks to the higher hedgerows and tree growth. So I've been out for about an hour and I've walked just coming up to a mile. Not too far really. Ooh, right. 5 metres, 3 metres. Ooh, I'm really close. You see that tree? I think it's at the base of there somewhere. But again, nettle central. No. No. My poor legs have had it bad enough today. So there's one more 300 metres away. That basically is going to take me to the end of what I'm doing on this series today. So I'll go and have a look, see if I can get to it. If I can, I can. If I can't, hey, it's been a nice walk. Again, there's not an awful lot to see in this area because of the high-sided hedges. Thank you, Mother Nature. Hopefully that'll help. So according to this, I'm about 30 metres away. Right, bit of a crossroads here. Look at that, that's a nice little place to live, isn't it? Actually, it's not a crossroads because that's the track to their place, but we're going up here. Well, I had inadvertently walked right past it, so I'm now just backtracking. So 14 metres away. Looking at this hedgerow and all the nettles in it, I ain't going to be doing this one. Definitely not. It's over there somewhere. As I've said a couple of times today, no. Right, so I'm back at my van. So I've walked about nearly 3 miles actually, 2.5 to 3 miles. I forgot to set the thing going when I first set off, so I'd done about 300 yards before I pressed go. So this is registering about 2.69 or something along those, but it'll have been closer to 3 miles in about an hour and a half. Yeah, as I say, done a few geocaches. The thing I love about geocaching is get out, do a bit of walking, and it makes a walk a bit more interesting. Gives you something to do while you're out doing it. If anybody else feels the same way, by all means let me know. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio, thanks for watching.